Denied.
Hi guys, welcome to the I'm Daddy Bless.
I'm Mommy Bless.
I'm Auntie Bless. I'm BereBlessed. I'm Jakey Bless.
And I'm Baby Bless.
So it's already evening, and we usually do our vlogs in the at night because we have a lot of our classes and circle time at night. We are actually a family of homeschoolers, so we have classes every day at home. Now the main teacher is Mommy Bless, and of course I assist her. I do the other subjects like the values, and of course what's my subject, kind of kids? Business and the Bible. Yeah, so we talk about the Bible. So those are my kind of subjects. Of course, Mommy does all of the other subjects, the hard subjects.
The other subjects are really fun, but Daddy's is nice because we get to sit down and let him do the talking.
Okay, so we do before Daddy's class we do circle time. So I'll ask the kids, what do they think about the circle time? What do you think about circle time in homeschool?
It's fun because Daddy tells us stories.
Wow, Eli, what do you think about circle time?
Oh, it's pretty cool because every time Daddy tells us about the stuff to sell, and that's pretty cool. So because we get to tell our favorite products.
Wow, yeah. So usually when we have
You didn't.
Oh yeah. So Jacob, what do you think about circle time?
You know, I like when we watch the Bible.
And what else? What do you enjoy in our circle time? Okay, he's done. So tonight is a special night because
Hey! Right, stop pulling my foot.
tonight is a special night because the kids went out there with their
Mama and Papa.
mama and papa, and
Which
they
is
bought
our grandma and grandpa.
yeah, and they bought them. Oh, so tonight we're gonna be unboxing the toys.
Yeah, and there's plushie.
So Eli got, what did you get, Eli? Kuya Bless.
Ben10 something watch.
What did you get, Jakey Bless?
I got Grossery Gang.
Ate Bless, what did you get?
I got Hatchimals, which I really love.
So we're gonna open it and we're gonna share it to you.
And Ryan got this thing.
Oh, Ryan, what? Oh yeah, that's...
Hi guys, it's unboxing time. Hi guys! Welcome back. We're kind of here just waiting for our toys, and now we're just gonna open them. So me first. I want all of us.
Okay, you do it together, kids.
I can't. Hatchimal, there's something like this inside. Be careful, because if you have a baby, he'll do this.
Yeah, just like Baby Bless, right?
Do not. Because my baby almost ate one of my Shopkins once, but I did like this to his mouth and he spit it out. So this is what you do. The instructions, I'm gonna get the instructions here. If you don't have any of this, you should read their instructions. So it says here to rub the heart, and then it'll crack, and then you have a new little tiny cute toy.
Okay, rub the heart.
Yeah, I think. Or rub something.
You get the fatty like that. Tónica en el aire, todos quieren baile. Plus my sick, let's style, style. Trouble as they come. I can feel the drum, don't know the word, but you can hum.
To purple. If it turns back to purple, you have to rub it again.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Crazy thing.
Crap! Crap, my baby!
Don't do that! It's gonna get dead! Beaver. This one is Pinky the raccoon, which I love.
His name is what?
It's a her.
Oh, her. Sorry. What's her real name?
I don't know.
Raspoon. It's here in the die. This
Sorry,
guy.
it's kind of very small to read, so I kind of.
Okay, Raspoon.
So I got a Raspoon and this.
Hey, I can't open it. I want to open it.
Justin Bieber.
A breezy beach. You got breezy platypus for them.
Yeah, look at this. It's translucent like diamond head.
Yeah, what's the other one?
I'm sure she's going
You
to
also
make
got twins,
good
right? The
friends
twins?
with us.
Yeah, the twins. I don't know. They're koalas.
Hey!
Yeah, they're
Can
koala
somebody
bears.
open my...
I'm gonna open yours.
Now it's time for you, for all the BereBlessed kids to help Jakey Bless open his toys.
Jakey, I got yours open. Jakey, you got a weapon. Yeah. These are for the... This one's for the clean team. That means which one? There's something in here that's clean.
There's a gun! There's a gun!
That's a little gun for something.
A clean
team.
We've got a clean
we got a clean team. Is it really a clean? Yeah, it's a clean
Show it to the camera, Jakes.
Jakey, go
Clean,
show it.
clean, clean.
What's that? What's that called?
Clean, bro.
No, because we didn't look at it yet.
Oh! It needs a comb.
Oh, I think that's a shaver. It shaves hair.
Yeah!
Yeah. You bite it off. Can't you cut it like Kuya Bless?
No, because he took it. Yeah.
What's the other one? Show it to the camera.
That's a grocery game.
Of course, it's all Grossery Gang. Oh,
My teeth hurt when I did
This
that.
one is a grocery game.
No, because there are clean team and grocery. The extra sticky one!
what's that called? Can you
It's a
move it
sticky
closer to the
one,
camera?
kind of. It's a jelly. It's a clean team. It's a clean team. Is it sticky? Let's see it. It's sticky. It's stuck onto my hand. You go
Show
stick
it.
it.
Jakey Bless, show it.
Yeah.
Eli, I want
Closer to the camera, Jakey Bless.
Hey, I wanted to do that. Let me see it, okay, after you take it out of the
Be
plastic.
careful. Be careful, Kuya Bless.
Do not let your babies use this. And my teeth really hurt. And Ryan will also be unboxing his own toy.
Hey, he got a gun! So, this is the Ben10 alien costumes. This is mostly heat blast because there's heat shooting out of it. This is Diamond Head. And then after that, we've got these. We need to collect all these stuff. And then you hold them in the watch. And then you press this green button. And then they launch out. So this is the watch that makes sounds, mostly the one that I've got. And then that's all the stuff I'm going to collect in the future.
Hi!
He's opening
We're going
his
to
toy.
open BereBlessed toy. It's the Stackimals.
And it's puppies. Do these sound?
No, it's
We'll
the top.
find out in a while. Wow, it's nice. What's that brand on it? Can you show it?
Fun and learn.
Fun and learn.
So like that. And they just stuck it up like this.
Ooh.
Here I am.
And there are animals on the bottom.
Can you do it on your own like this?
So how do you play it? Play with it. No, you bless. Not like
You
that.
can do like this. And then you put the head of the bear up.
Whoa.
Or can he post it like?
Check it out. You think he's gonna like it, Kuya Bless?
Let's see.
You think he likes it?
He likes his trying towers.
Boom!
See?
Baby Bless, what do you think about your toy?
You like your toy?
You like your toy? What are you going to do with your toy? Oh, you're gonna eat it? You're gonna drink it, Baby Bless?
Thank you so much for watching!
Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment our favorite channel. Also give hearts, 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 and a like. Send Eli has something to say.
Okay, so if you're really sad, then you can just, you know, put a lot of sad faces. And if you're angry, just put an angry face.
And give us suggestions on what we should do next.
Yes.
And let us know what you want us to buy next time.
Always remember, you are